So they were doing an engineering design experiment where they were filtering water, trying to figure out which filter would clean the water the best when they recorded their data, like how much time it took.
My favorite part was observing how it took out the dirt and how it didn't change color.
I knew it worked!
If your school has 10% military students, then they will qualify for any DODEA grants that are available to us.
So the grant has given us the opportunity to enhance our programming. So, for example, our counselor and our STEAM teacher were able to collaborate and co-teach today using these hands-on kits. And it just brings the lesson alive when kids can actually put their hands on something because their hearts turn on, their minds turn on.
When I saw in the water, I saw that the particles were a bit too small. So that's why I didn't think the screen was going to work.
It was cool because I saw the dirt get into the filters. I think that was really cool.
These kits benefit everybody in our STEAM program.